clip, we're going to talk about how to prepare your bananas. You can see I've already started to cut up some of the bananas in here. Now, the bananas that I had in the earlier clip I mentioned, you either need 3 large bananas or 4 to 5 medium-sized bananas. And you want to make sure that your bananas are ripe. You don't want any bananas that are green, they need to have a little bit of color to them at least. You can see we've got some little brown spots here, but the riper they are, the better they bake in the oven, guaranteed. So I had 3 large bananas. I've prepared 2 already. So what you're going to do is take your banana, just of course peel it, and you want to cut before you start mashing your bananas to prepare them. What I have always found to be the easiest is that if you take a knife and you cut your banana into really thin pieces, as thin as you can get, the better, because they will mash up that much faster and that much easier. And you'll see the riper the bananas are, of course, the better they mash up. And as I mentioned, the better they do bake in the oven. So what you want to do is just cut up all of your bananas. And you'll see this will really eventually save you some time in the long run, because you don't want to just put that in and start mashing away. I've always easiest method, and it cooks better too, I think, just because they mix up a little bit better. So put them in there, get your masher, and just start mashing away, basically until you have sort of just a you'll see it's all mashed and it turns almost in towards a liquid.